What was you even talking about, dog?
Do you know where we are?
No. I mean, I know.
You're gonna love it.
That shit when you got up that car, man. Fuck that. Fuck that guy. Like, yo, you mad disrespectful right now, my G.
Right?
Said I just chill.
No. Dry cleaners, no stop. That's not where we're going.
You took me here, but you didn't bring the 100.
We're almost there. Surprise!
Hey. Shit went on Wednesday, man.
Huh?
Shit went on
Are you surprised we're at Sunset Yard?
Wednesday. Pretty surprised.
Yeah.
I don't know how this. What do you do? It's like you pick.
Or the chicken burger. So depressing. So I'm glad that we got to Sunset. It's beautiful out here. It's not here.
Thank you. Happy up, boy. Look at the size of your chicken, babe. It's huge. Try my big cheeseburger from Sunset Yard. Good? Look at that cross section. That's the size of your head. How are you gonna eat this now? What is the plan? Fork and knife?
I don't know. I'm gonna have to take this in pieces.
I think this is not even boneless chicken. I think it's all one piece of chicken. It's like a thigh. No, that can't be just.
Can't be squeezed it.
Yeah.
Fried a little hard though. That's one thing I don't like.
This is our intro into Mukbang.
No, they do have an obnoxious amount of food for that.
Right.
Yeah, pull that for me. Pull that. They had to take some of the meat off just to make it edible.
I can't get it out. I can barely fit it in my mouth. Truffle fries are good.
I forgot you was filming. Got lost in the sauce.
I'm glad I waited instead of getting an appetizer, because we could not have finished this. It's the size of a donut. Look, that's my ham. That's the size of the onion ring.
I didn't really look like a donut. I wonder if they have any barbecue sauce.
You should ask them. I'm pretty sure they have some on deck. They have truffle fries on deck. I think we can get some barbecue sauce. Definitely napkins for this.
Prince just hit me up. He's like, how you looking today, fam? Cause I mean, my shorty had some plans, you know. You got something, you know. I'll probably go there tonight. He's like, nah. Spend time with your shorty, fam.
That's cool. That's nice of him. Welcome back to the Morgan and Ed Boy Mukbang. At Sunset Yard. So he's been talking about this place forever.
Forever.
Now,
I learned about it like maybe a month ago.
We could not stop talking about Sunset Yard. Sunset Yard.
Look at this shit. Look at this goddamn burger. Let me see the first one. I see how big it actually is.
What, my burger?
No, the one. My head up in my head. This is the biggest.
It's a really good burger. You should come to this place when you're really hungry. Then you can finish it. I couldn't imagine eating this while not being hungry. Come here when you're starving. Might be a wait, but it's worth it, man.
Come in when you're stoned. And starving. This is so good.
It's really good.
I shouldn't even be eating like super hard and crunchy stuff. But that's how good the shit is.
Yeah. It's really good.
I shouldn't even be eating like super hard and crunchy stuff. But that's how good the shit is.
Yeah.